In this video, we will use our Grand Air Tour to demonstrate how to set up a Dometic inflatable caravan awning. Highlights common throughout our Tour inflatable awning range include our single point inflation frame, UV resistant ripstop weather shield Tour material, large windows on all three sides, quick pitch guy lines, contemporary soft touch internal blinds. Insert the cater into the opening of the awning rail. Then slide the awning along the rail into the desired position. It must be positioned along a straight section of rail. Next, fix the two back corners of the awning. Peg the highlighted glow webbing straps approximately 5 cm under the caravan. Ensure the pegging point is secured vertically from the end of the awning cater. To prevent air escaping the awning during inflation, close the external deflation valves. Locate the inflation point, which is often towards the middle of the awning, and insert the end of the hand pump hose included with the awning. Begin inflating the awning. We recommend inflating to between 3 and 4 psi to begin with. Once achieved, carefully lift the awning up, allowing it to take shape. With some of our larger awnings, you may find it easier entering through a door panel and lifting from the inside. Continue inflating to the recommended 9 psi, or until the needle reaches the green zone on the hand pump. Alternatively, you can use the Dometic Gale 12V pump, sold separately. Remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation point. Next, zip in all side and front panels, ensuring all doors are completely closed. Peg the front two corners using the adjustable glow webbing straps. Tension the side panels by pulling away from the caravan. Peg the glow triangle located at the base of the left and right hand side of the awning. If the triangle is not flush to the floor, you may need to reposition the central air poles. Secure the remaining pegging points using the ladder bands included with the awning peg pack. We recommend cross-pegging between panels to reduce fabric tension and help the zips run smoothly. Then, to finish the outer awning setup, secure the quick pitch guy lines. Simply guide the lower strap out and peg down, then tension the upper strap. Stepping inside the awning, clip the soft touch blinds into place along the rails located above each window. Your Dometic Grand Air Tour awning is now set up. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.